They sent me the Lytmi HDMI sync box for my 75-inch TV. Let's unbox. Here we have it. This is the box right here. Let's open it up. Okay, so let's unpack it here. Here it is. We got the power. We have the connectors for the LED strips. We have the HDMI in and out, and that connects directly to the TV. Start setting this up. I have a cable for the HDMI, and we have a bunch of other parts here that we're probably gonna need to stick on the TV. I see the power supply here and the LED strips right here, 1 and 2. All right, so before we begin here, there are 2 ways to install these light strips, from the left side or from the right side of the TV. My TV here, all of the connectors are on the left side. Okay, so here we have the brackets. There's type A and type B. Simple way to know it, that this type A right here is the one that the wire is going to connect to. So it has the little pieces, that's it. So those are gonna go on the corners. One where the wires are on the bottom and another one on the other corner, and then the B right here. So let's go install those on the TV. This side right here, that it is a little bit off. My TV is a little bit bigger than the size they sent me, so let's try. I'm connecting the box here. This is the bottom, and I'm connecting the top light bar. So let's do the HDMI for you so you don't have to. Let's connect the power here. Oh! You see that? You see how the colors are flipped? I believe I need to scan this QR code. All right, let's install it. I have to register, add a new device. It wants a Wi-Fi password. Okay, we need to complete the setup. It's a light strip, next. All right guys, check it out. It is darker out. The sun is not even fully gone. Wow. Nice. Let's go ahead and check out some different effects. You can actually have a fire background. Like, whoa, nice. At any time I want that, I can have a nice soothing background. I can have some little of this, a little bit of that. Some fireworks. Whoa, choose a color. So certain things you can change the color on. So I can bring it down to red. I can do some blue. You know, I can do some green, yellow. I can change any color here I want on that specific one, which is pretty good. And you see how bright it is? Right here I have a automatic UV light right there. You can dim it too, like 14%. It doesn't have to be so high, like boom, you see that? That's 100% of the fire. Oh yeah, and there's also this mode, so when you're listening to music, check it out.